Welcome everybody. Welcome to the Simple Chef. Today, I'm going to make a really easy meal that anybody can make. It's going to require 2 pounds of kielbasa, jar of grape jelly, and a container of barbecue sauce. We're going to mix all that goodness together, throw it in the crock pot, and you got yourself a really easy meal. Let's get started. All right, folks, so I'm heating up the pan. And what I'm going to do is, and I don't have to do this, but I'm going to. So I'm just doing some Everglades seasoning on my kielbasa. I'm going to pour some water into the hot pan. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut up my kielbasa. As you can see, add it to the water. Now I could take this and I could bring it right into the crock pot and cook it that way. However, we're going to make sure that everything is nice and cooked thoroughly, just in case the crock pot doesn't cook it all the way through. I've done it both ways. This is how we're going to be doing it today. We're going to let this cook up for a little bit. I'm going to increase the heat, and then we'll move on to the next step. Like I said, I'm just giving this a little pre-cook. I've done it both ways, right inside the crock pot. Or like this. I added regular Everglades seasoning. I'm going to put all of this in the description below in the video so you can follow it. Most of the recipes here on the channel are going to be very easy. Anybody can do them. Anybody. Okay, if I do some pre-prep work ahead of time and what have you, it's to not bore you with all of that stuff. Me videotaping that. But anybody can do the recipes that I'm going to be doing on this channel. Very simple. Very, very simple. Look at that. Look at that. Could I cover it? Steam it up? Yes. But that's not the point of this dish. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to drain this. Okay, go ahead. Add it to the crock pot. It's all set on that portion. Now, okay, now we're taking the 30-ounce jar, grape jelly, putting it right in the crock pot, right along with the kielbasa. Like I said, this is a very, very simple item to make. Okay, just coat the kielbasa. Mix the grape jelly around. Just coat it. That's all. No big deal. All right. Move that to the side. Now, take your barbecue sauce. Go ahead and squeeze that into the crock pot. Oops. Mix that all together. Mix it all together. think I've got most of that in there as we speak. All right. Stirring it all up again. See, and that is what it looks like, all mixed together and starting to cook. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit in the crock pot for 6 hours. 6 hours. And then we're going to come back when it's done. Okay, so it's been about 5.5 hours. I've taken the meal out of the crock pot, as you can see here. I've put it in a bowl. I know, a little odd, bowl, kielbasa, but I'm not doing a plate today. We're gonna go ahead, gonna have some. Yep, really simple kielbasa barbecue. That's all that this is, really simple. From my kitchen to your plate, I hope you enjoy this dish, and we'll see you all at the next meal.